Where do you feel it at? There?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, look up just a bit. You're gonna do that again. Look up. Okay, one more. Yeah, drop your arms. Do it again one more time for me. Look up. Good. That was easy. He was in his designated spot. Switch on to the habit. Okay, here. Here. Back a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. Same thing this side. Push back. Nice. Yep, turn your head all the way. Yeah, there you go. Go the other way. I knew that side was gonna go. Get a little bit more restriction on that side.
Come on. Got you, buddy. I got you.
Yeah. You're also snuggly today. Just have to do it.